Hi, today you're going to do some activities with the Sam and Dad book. You may recognize this book from an activity that you did in Imagine Learning. When you go into Seesaw, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to record yourself reading some of the different word cards. These are words that are found in the story. I'll read them for you. Is, good, not, I'm, where, here. When you go to the next page, you will continue practicing reading word cards. Now and practice, good, I'm, is. And you can listen to this recording multiple times to help you. Now, I think you're ready to try reading the story out loud. Again, you're going to use the microphone to record yourself reading Sam and Dad. Sam and Dad. I'm Sam. I'm Dad. Sam is good. Dad is not good. Dad is sad. Dad and Sam practice. Now Dad is not sad. Dad is good. Sam is good. And you can practice reading this as many times as you want until you get it right. And I want you to think about, why is Sam good and why is Dad not good according to the picture? It looks like Sam and Dad are riding skateboards. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to sort the words jam, pad, glad, dad, ham, and slam by their endings. Some of the words end in AD, like mad, and some of the words end in AM, like Sam. So I want you to take the pencil tool and I want you to write where the words go. So for example, jam, jam. Does jam end in the same letters as mad or Sam? I think it is Sam. So you would write J-A-M. Jam. When you're finished, submit for review.